Saan tayo ba? Saan tayo?
Kami ay nasa Laguna Bay. Tarnach! Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Locos Norte.
Uy! Mamaya makikita na namin yung windmill. Nasaan? Nasa Abulalas, hindi makarating ng Batangas.
Manis ka, boy. Picture sa tukang dagat. May malaki po ba kayo?
Meron.
Kahit ano siguro pare.
Oh.
Coke na lang pa si Coke na lang po.
Sisir nyo.
Opo. Dalawa na kayo. Sa mga... Dalawa na po.
Dalawang Coke.
Opo. Magkano po ba yan?
100 na lang isa.
Oh no!
Natakot to.
Isa na yung lumamoy. Siyempre pati.
Something heavenly led me to you. Look at the sky. It's the color of love. There must have been an angel by my side. Something heavenly came down from above.
Leeg malalim. Ere, hindi nakasama si Boy.
My colors, yellow and green, but I like some purple with my tangerine. Eliminate a better disease. I'm young and dumb, got vacancy. Got vacancy. I'm vacant. You're perfect, perfectly clean. I'm drinking coffee on a trampoline. You think you're better than me, 'cause I'm young and dumb and vacancy.
Kiss mo, ano?
Yeah boy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Let me take you on a little trip in my supersonic ship. Look at your disposal if you feel so inclined. Well, alright. We're gonna travel faster than light, so drop your overcoat tight.
Ay, mag-Highland hopping. Island hopping. Wow. Island hopping.
supersonic rocket ship. Nobody has to be heaven, nobody needs to be out of sight. Nobody's gonna travel second class of the equality and no suppression of minorities.
Ganyan ba ang view niya?
Take this planet, shake it round, and turn it upside down. My supersonic rocket ship.
Yeah! Pupunta ako sa iyo! Pupunta ako sa iyo dito sa puso mo.
Shoutout nga pala mga tropa kong maangas. Motor nila'y maangas pero hindi naman nakakapunta ng Batangas.
Let me take you on a little trip. On my supersonic rocket ship.